Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. Let's try that again because that was absolute crap. Let's take two. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Johnny Boy Mill. I'm trying something a little different on this vlog. I'm going to try and do it to camera a little bit more rather than sitting in the office. I will go to the office, but I've tried to mix it up a little bit, try something new. Yeah, I'm in my apartment. I haven't really shown it that much. It is very old. It is not our style. Backstory to this is when we got the apartment, and the stipulation in the contract was we had to leave all of the furniture, her furniture here, so it's from the 70s and 80s. All her furniture has to stay here. So when we leave, they have it, and it's my momentum of some sort. So it's very old. I'll give you like a quick, obviously except for the big television in the background, but yeah, look, it's very, very Spanish, but we do our best. Anyway, I said in a previous video that I wanted to update into more automated house, different things like that, but I can't do too much to someone else's apartment. And we had bought a new house, but the plans were we bought this new house, do it up, I was gonna gut it, redo it to the style that I wanted, whatever, blah 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 blah. One second, my dog Ella here is Ella. You just gonna lick your toes all afternoon? Is this what you're gonna do? Just gonna lick your toes? Here's the camera. Okay. No, not a hand of it. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so where was I? Okay, so one of the things that I always want to do is get security cameras in. Now I started to buy, these are so cheap. I was like, these have to be terrible. So I have a Yi camera. I haven't done one on that yet, but I will do one. But at the moment, this one is about the Yi Dome, and let's see what's worth. I think I paid 20 euros, 30 euros for it. It's like really cheap. So all right, let's have enough of that. Let's go and see what it all looks like. Blah 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 blah. But do the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the unboxing. Let's see what it says on the side. Okay, so we've got double playback speed, normal sound detection, motion tracking, human detection, and push notification. Okay, and on the side there, so it's a 1080p, it's pan and tilt, eye or night vision, two-way audio, and it's got cloud storage. Okay, let's see what's getting inside. Okay, so we've got a nice Yi sticker, just let everyone, thank you for choosing. Okay, Yi Cloud, maybe to let everyone know that you're recording, and some instructions. What do we got? Okay, so it's just some wall mounting. Okay, nothing unusual. And other bits and bobs you get with it. QR codes. Okay, seems pretty solid. What else we got in there? So this is some more questions. Limited warranty. No one's gonna read that. Okay, so protect the top. Let's take it out. Whoa. Okay, it's quite light. Okay, so this is obviously the base where you can mount upside down. This is your power. Then you got your LAN. It does swivel. Okay. Pad. Where is the? Okay, I wonder where you put the SD card. I'll have to have a little look at that later. Okay. There. What have we got down here? Some stuff in here. Okay. So, apologies, my battery just went. Okay, so what have we got in this little box? Okay, so obviously your cable, your power unit, and this is the mounting bracket. It's small, and two screws. Okay, that's it. Nothing nothing special, but I'm going to have a look at this instruction to see where the SD card slot is. Is this at the back? Back here? Ah, okay. I know. Where? Here? Ah, here we go. So I have to tilt this. Let's see if we can see that there. So there's a reset button and your SD card. Okay. Please remove before using. No shit, Sherlock. Okay, it's quite light. Let's go do a test and see how it looks and works. Radio, so I have power on the camera now, and I'll just wait for her to give her magic commands. Any minute.
Waiting to connect.
Okay, so we're going to go into the eHome app. Let it start up. Then you press a plus because you want to add a new camera. So you can either scan it or you can just look for the camera. So it's an indoor camera. It is the...
Waiting to connect.
Okay, sweetheart. So it's the Dome camera. Connect. Okay, I heard, and you get a prompt here. I heard waiting to connect. Yeah. Connect that. Please connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Okay. So you go into your Wi-Fi settings. Now, quick little trick for anyone who has 5G only. If you turn your router on and you turn your router off, when it turns on, it will start at a 2.5, and at that point, then you match up your then you just match up your software. Okay, so you want to add in your Wi-Fi password. So give me 2 secs.
Please face the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for it to scan.
Okay, so
waiting to connect. QR code scan is successful. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay, so it's giving us all these little things.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Easy. Okay.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now. Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
Okay, so I'm just going to say this is bedroom, finish. Woohoo! Okay. Okay, so I don't want to use a cloud service. Okay, so let's go in and see what the bedroom is like. Okay, so this is what we currently see now. If you can't really see that there, so it's like a little trackpad. So, okay, can you see that? So trackpad. Camera moves around, up, down, as far as it goes. It's not very clear on the camera. See, there we go. See? Whoop. Okay. That's just the basics of it. I'm going to set this up somewhere and do a proper test. Actually, I might just try the microphone for 2 secs.
Testing 1 2 1 2. If anyone hasn't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do so now.
Okay, so here we have some of the daytime scenes. Clearly a little wave. How's it going? You can make out my t-shirt quite clearly. Yeah, good face recognition. You can see how many cavities they have. Here's it at night. Now it's a little bit blurred around the face. Can't make my face out as I get closer, but you should be able to get a screen. And then this, I'm going to just show you a comparison to what the Yi Home is like. So this is the Yi Dome. The Yi Home is a little bit darker. Still don't notice who it is. Still don't notice who it is. There we go. That's the shot. You can kind of see my tattoos even. Hello. This is on the Yi Home Dome. Or is it just the Yi Dome? Yeah, the Yi Dome 1080p. Hold on. Big stretch. Okay. The app is quite intuitive. You have your turn camera on, turn camera off, device name. I renamed it after a dog. Device settings. You can put the status light on, image rotation, camera, microphone, night vision, motion tracking, time zone, call mode, and the firmware if you want to get it up to date. Scheduling, if you want to bring it, if you want to turn times to come on when passwords to be used. What else have we got there? You can share if something happens. You can, if you have a family member, you can add them to this group. Once something happens in the house, it'll be sent to them automatically. Extra security. It links up with the Echo Show. I don't have an Echo Show yet. Smart detection. Would it be motion, sound? What ways you want the alerts to sound? If you want it on 24/7. Cloud storage, pin protection, what network you with, connectivity, videos and photos, and that's it for the app. So I'm back in the office, and as you can see, I've got a new rocket. Yeah, proper YouTuber now, because I have a neon sign in the background, and I have no idea why I picked a rocket. I think it just looked the coolest because I think the bananas already is pretty overdone, and I didn't really see the point of having a cactus in there. Anyway, so the Yi Dome Gaurd. You know what? It's a good camera. It is very plasticky, if that's a term I can use. It seems quite flimsy. The only thing I didn't show was the motion tracking, which is quite noisy. So I think if someone did break in and they heard this, they might just leave for that alone. Push notifications, yeah, quite quick. Pan and tilt, yeah, everything. It does, for what you're paying for it, it does what it says, okay? Why we have it at home, when we go out to restaurants and to bars, which is probably never really anymore, we're able to check in on our dog, make sure she's okay, because she had an operation a couple of weeks back to do with cancer. She had a tumor removed, so we are obviously now a little bit more worried about her, to keep an eye on her. And but everything's going to plan, so can't really complain. Anyway, so did I just get emotional there? I think I did. The Yi Dome Gaurd, good camera, but the pixelation's a little bit wishy-washy, but it is what it is. It's fine. It is good. It's a good camera. I do have the, so this is the Xiaomi, I think it's the outdoor one. It's rated at IP66. It's all in Chinese writing, so I can't actually even tell you the name of it. Nope. She's IP65. Okay, so this is the next one I shall be doing. So if you want to hit the like button, subscribe, follow me. Hopefully I'll have this one up really quickly, but it's 2020, so you know, anything can happen. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.